One more time. There you go. Okay, we're over to the gate, right?
Yep.
Cut her off.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Like butter.
Throw this with it.
You guys need to pull all the way out?
Yeah, you got to pull forward about 3 foot. No more. Where's your magnet? Because there's a bolt underneath there. I like to know where's your magnet.
Wow, what's going on? Paint booth?
Huh? Well, there's just a bolt underneath there that I don't know where it came from. How to get it out of there. So you're going to get it on that. I see him now.
He's done slid over here. You've got to come back out.
Oh no. gotta put something underneath there.
Tires ain't got no grip.
Running them front wheels.
Right there on the transition. See it? I don't know if we want to come forward. Put a piece of wood right here. See where this is bellying? And it's making us catch?
Well, let me ask you a question.
Took a big old honk out of that.
What?
Dumps his wood.
Yeah, I can get a jack underneath here, Matt. We can put wood underneath it right now.
It's probably gonna hit on this other piece too.
What's it gonna do when it gets back here?
Where are we hitting that now?
I mean, everybody's hitting right here. Is it gonna raise up when I put wheels on it? Yeah.
Yeah, these are only 22 inches tall. These are short.
Is that the tire too?
I raised the suspension up and all. You know what I mean? I didn't want to raise it up any higher. 'Cause really, you know, you don't want to do that to get your wheels rolling here. I gotta find that wrench. Well, you got coils in the front, right? Yeah.
Jeez.
That jack there, Phil. That jack's hitting all up under this too.
Gotta get something underneath here. There we go.
Somebody need an airbag jack.
Yeah.
There you go.
What are you gonna try to do?
He's gonna put wood under the tires.
I'm gonna try. Something. Chalk that wheel.
I got my foot on the
Okay.
brake.
Well, you gotta get this car moved over that
You can use the jack in the back. Move it over. I think we got enough. Once we get it in, if we turn the wheel,
way. You can get to the deck in the rear with a jack. Take the ass.
I like to take that board right there, stick behind the wheel. That way, it'll lift us up back there. Correct?
yeah. When we get the board, we want to put it behind it.
Right. So go ahead and do that. Get your side set up. Because I don't know how much of that board's underneath there. Because we got that transition up there we gotta do. Get ready to stick that board in there when you come. Come from the back. Back the board up.
All right, I don't like the way it's
There
sticking
you go. Get it straight. Stick it underneath there, Lola. I'm getting close with my jack. There you go. How about the other side? We've got no cigar over here.
Oh, heck no, you gotta lift it up on this side.
Let's see that.
Grab me one of the 6s to put under here so it goes all the way back to the transition.
I'll tell you what. Now you got something. Go underneath there a little further, because you're not all the way in here. There you go. Might have to move something there later.
See, that's what I don't like right there.
God dang.
You guys hit the last
All you need is a shorter one here on both sides in the front. Don't you think so? I think that board's too long.
See this?
Yeah, I know, I see it.
That's what the problem is right there. Right there, that flopping around. So lift it back up, Matt. Did you do just like you just did? All right, let it down. That's a little
It's
better.
still off the ground, bud.
How about your jack? Put your jack down for me.
What's that?
The jack in the front?
Let her down?
Yeah.
Once you get over that, once it goes over that transition, like he said, it's probably gonna get caught right on the transmission.
Guarantee it is. She's probably gonna bottom out.
Just hold the wheel. Turn the wheel like that, towards the back. One more time. There you go. Okay, we're over the gate, right?
Yep.
All right. So, theoretically, Adam, go ahead and back up.
No.
Right? No?
You gotta come over this way a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta walk this ass in this car in there.
I got you.
You gotta get the ass in this way. To my left.
Again. Gotta go that way?
Oh, yeah. Liz's gonna hit that home.
So I gotta bring the jack in there?
Don't you think
He's
it's
got
gonna
a
hit
jack
that home?
behind you,
Close.
buddy.
Start her up and back up a little bit.
Turn your wheel to the left. Now we can go back. Look, you're good.
Not good?
You're good.
What's up?
Back up and turn your wheel this way, just a hair.
Don't I gotta go that way?
No, if you come
Straight
just
back.
like you're coming, we're fine. Okay. You're not gonna hit on this side. I don't know how you're getting out of the car.
Yeah, you're clear on that side.
Here's where she's got to sit.
That's where she got to sit. That's where she's living. You have to. You have to buy more boards. That's all.
How much? Oh, that's nice how to get out.
Huh?
Hold on now.
Here, let me help you.
I'll get my shoes off real quick.
Tighten them up.
Yep.
Ready?
Just make them a little.
You're a little tangled on that one.
Yeah.
Help yours up. You sure know what we're doing there?
That's good, as long as it's just snow.
Where's the other ones?
There should be a bag. Well, I'm saying, we had a 2x4 we can put in this crack, and we have to take this thing off. stressed out yet?
Oh, there's
Right behind you, man.
straight back.
Yep, straight back.
I had it. Yeah,
You gotta open them up with you.
yeah, I got it. This one.
There you go. That's it. Keep going. No more move, no more. There you go. You're good, Dad. Lock that side down. You good, Matt? You can't tighten her up no more? Nope. Okay. Should be fine. No, no. Back ones are locked in.
You might have to feel it a little bit, Matt, because of it being painted, but sticking. The teeth ain't engaged too much.